How to change age on Twitter. So you can open your Twitter app or go to any browser and then go ahead and type Twitter. So go ahead to twitter.com. So once you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the top left corner. And then go ahead and go to this profile icon once more. So click on your name. And then you can see this edit profile button. So go ahead and click on that. So if you scroll down, you'll see the birth date available, and then just tap on edit. And you can see that this can only be changed a few times. So make sure that you enter the correct age. So go ahead and click on this edit option. And here you can see your birth date. So click on that. And then just select what your birthday is, click on set, and then press the save button right here. And then you'll be able to change your age on Twitter.